So where were you at when this phone came out, and did you have it? Welcome back to another video, guys. It's your man Jay. This is the ZTE Blade X Max, and a little over 4 years ago, ZTE had done it again, man. They brought out another great phone, 6-inch display, kind of a continuation of the Z Max Pro. This one looked really good though, and it was only on Cricket. It still had the 3400 mAh battery, but they changed the processor. They put a 435 Snapdragon in here, but it still got 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, 32 megapixel camera, 5 on the front, 6-inch display, 1080p. They did their thing. Type C, everything. This time I'm gonna open it up. I've actually been playing with this all day. There's all the brand new original stuff that came in the box. Pretty sweet. Yeah. Here's this beautiful phone with this beautiful display. Check this out. When I turn this thing around, let me just shine this up for you. Oof. You know that when you saw this, you loved it. The only thing you probably didn't like was that ugly Cricket logo. But other than that, this was the Z Max Pro with like this fancy back. Remember that? Ooh. This thing is beautiful, man. And the beautiful display is still here. Still beautiful, vibrant, punchy. I love it. I love it. This is incredible, man. This is running like Android 6, I believe. No chance of an update on here, but you know what? This is what this video is about. This video is about using this device in 2021. It's totally possible. The battery still holds a full charge. I mean, this was brand new in the box, and I cracked it open and I said I'm not going to do them like this on all these episodes of I'm not unboxing, because I had to show you this. But I'm going to go ahead and take some photos and some video, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the doggone thing with it. So man, this is just nostalgia at its best. It is. Ooh, man, this thing was so nice when it released. People freaked out and was kind of mad that it was only on Cricket. But that's those exclusive carrier deals that companies do, and that's just what it is. So having one of these brand in the box, remember the cover? Remember the cover? Still have one brand new in the box. Box is a little beat up, but never opened it, man. Never opened it. It's just one of those things. There's your seal right there. That you know is sealed. I might go ahead and open that and try it on, but it was that leather. This retailed for $30 when it came out. And this phone right here, I forgot what it costs on Cricket, but man, this thing still works so great, man. It works fantastic. And you know what's funny? That's the same SIM card from over 4 years ago in that box. Crazy. It probably doesn't work. Fingerprint reader still good. Everything about the hardware and everything is just beautiful on this thing in 2021. This is where ZTE probably should have stayed. Look at some of these wallpapers. Look at that. That's the default wallpaper right there. That's the default that it came with. It just shows how beautiful it is. And let's crank this brightness up. Look at this. I mean, we're talking about almost 4.5 years ago. That's incredible. We are in 2021 right now. You don't think so? Let me show you a 2021 phone. OnePlus 9 Pro. Yeah, we're in 2021, and this phone still, to me, competes with the big boys, with the best. I mean, even that old processor in there, I've been using this on and off for probably the past 4 days, and I thought, I gotta show this. This is crazy right here. I got some dope throwback Thursdays, man. I got some crazy throwback Thursdays. I'm telling you, it's just this version of the Z Max Pro, sick. I wanted this so bad back in the day. Once I saw the soft touch version of the Z Max Pro, I wanted this, and this was the new Blade line. You know, remember they started to announce the Blade phones. And this Blade X, and then they had the Blade X Max, which is this. This is the one that just, again, kept taking them over the top. I mean, yeah. Software, everything is good on here, man. This is a fast phone. Even in 2021, it's still doing its thing, man. It really is. So what about these cameras though? I'm gonna take it outside and I'm gonna take some photos. Beautiful 6-inch display. Come on, son. All right, guys, so here we are using the Blade X Max in 2021. Almost, we're over halfway through 2021, and this phone is still great. These cameras are still great, man. I'm telling you, the phones that they produced back in the day compete with the phones of today. I tell you what, man, everything works on this phone really well. I thought the video was still good and competes with today's market, because today, most phones today have great cameras, but some don't. And you take a phone like this from 2017, early 2017, and it comes out and shines and competes with today's phones. Like, honestly, I think I would use a phone like this today, built just like this. Remember the Motorola phone, the Nexus? I think it was the Nexus 6, was it? I forgot which Nexus it was, but it's big like this, and it had the dual speakers or whatever. But as a matter of fact, let me show you the speakers real quick. Real briefly though, look, it's so old. It says you need to update this. It's like, you got to update this YouTube app. Your version is way too old, and we can't even play it on your phone. But the fact that it'll update the YouTube app and allow me to use YouTube, it's fantastic. Let me get this updated. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this is the ZTE Blade X7 Prime, and this phone came out almost 2 years ago. You know what? It's still selling right now on Visible Wireless. This phone is only $69, and it's for someone who needs a smartphone. Simple as that. It's running an older. So this phone has a backfiring speaker back here, but it's actually fairly loud for what it is, man. Plastic back, plastic frame, I'm sorry. You've got the hybrid SIM slot. You've got a 6-inch IPS LCD. Nothing really beats this big 6-inch display in this form factor. It's just something about it, man. It just works. Let's go forward to some music. Oh, 16:9, I forgot. Yeah, this is beautiful right here, man. This is just beautiful. I'm telling you that this phone today, I could use it as a regular phone. Just a daily driver. I could. I mean, when you think about it, look at how far we've come. Like, this is the OnePlus 9 Pro. It's pretty much the same height as the OnePlus 9 Pro, but it's got the top and bottom bezels, man. And it's got a much wider display because of the 16:9 ratio. This is by no means an ugly phone either. you can see the fingerprints or whatever, but this is by no means an ugly phone, folks. This is a beautiful phone. Even by today's standards, I think it's beautiful. Because look at what we've come to. Look at where we are now when it comes to what we're calling beautiful. This is pretty much a mirror effect. You see me right there? You see the Yeti X up top. You see the other backup microphone right there. Man, I mean, this is what we come to. This phone today is just as beautiful as a phone of today in 2021. It's looking sweet, man. I love, love, love the way this is, man. I missed it. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Wow. The throwback of the day, man. This phone is absolutely beautiful, and I think even by today's standards, you could use this right now. What do you guys think? Do you remember if you had this phone or not? I know you loved it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.